Have you tried to prepare your gizzard recipe this way? If you've not tried it, guys, come let me share with you how I prepared these delicious gizzard recipes. It was on Sunday afternoon and I went to sit in the sitting room watching movies with my family. So I decided to make this delicious gizzard recipe so we can sit and be eating it while watching a movie. So guys, let me share with you guys how to prepare this gizzard without water. So guys, first thing first, there is the gizzard we're going to use, and it's clean. I've washed it, so it's cleaned. So I'm going to be needing 2 red pepper, 1 clove of garlic, and half ginger, and 2 big onions. So I'm going to steam the gizzard with onions, salt, and 1 seasoning cube, also with a teaspoon of curry powder. So after adding all this, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to give it a good stir. Like I'll keep stirring it until everything is well mixed. And so I'm going to cover it. So the reason I'm stirring it, I stir it so long this way because I'm not putting water. So because I'm not adding water to the gizzard, so this is how I'm going to cook it, and with low heat. So I have to stir it very well so that everything will mix properly. It to not make sense if some part is salty and the other part there is no salt. So we'll have to give it a good mix to make sure it's okay. And after we're done with that, we just cover it and allow it to cook. While the gizzard cook, I have to start preparing the sauce. So first I'm going to cut the onions into big sizes because I'm going to blend it along with the pepper and other stuffs. After cutting this pepper this way, I'm going to cut it wide open again. Make sure I remove all the seeds. So now I'm done removing the seed, and I wash it one more time before I add it to the onions in my blender. Now we'll be adding the clove of garlic and half fresh pepper. Guys, if you are the type that like hot pepper, you can add more, but because of my kids, I don't eat much pepper, so that's why I added half fresh pepper. So I'm going to blend everything together, not too smooth. So now that I'm done with the blending, so the next thing is for me to check the gizzard, and now it's ready, it's cooked. So I just have to stir it a little bit, you see. So it's getting almost burned because no water. So guys, this is how it should look. Imagine you didn't put water and it's like this. So because if you don't put water, it will drain all the water out, and all the spices you use, everything will go inside. So now I just put it in the see, I have to seal it. So I added a little oil to my pan. Then I'm going to transfer the gizzard back to the frying pan. So this is how I just want it to look like before I take it out. So I'm going to take it out now, and because this is the same pot I'm still going to use again. So it's optional, guys, if you want to make yours a little bit more brown than this, you know, because when when it's too hard, it looks like it's work. So to make it soft and delicious, you wouldn't want to fry it too much. So now I'm going to add onions to the pan, stir it. Then I'm going to add the ginger, because I blended the garlic along with the spices. So I'm just going to fry the ginger and the onions. So after putting them together, I'm going to stir it for at least 2 minutes, so to allow it to cook. Guys, if you've not steam your food with ginger, try it. It's so good. It gives it a little spice. There's this special spice it gives to your food. So I'm going to just add only 2 teaspoons of the spices I blended, because I don't want it to be too much on the gizzard, so it don't look like as if I'm making stew, you know. So to make it look delicious, you don't want to add too much of sauce to it. So I added just a little seasoning powder and also a little salt to taste to make it taste. So after everything, I have to turn in the gizzard and stir it until it's well mixed. Guys, the aroma this food is bringing is bomb. You need to try it this way if you've not tried it. And if you've tried it, how do you see it? I hope you like it, you know, because for me, I'm gonna do it very soon because I love it. You know, this way you prepare it, you can prepare it for your guests. For example, you have a guest, you can prepare it for them. Like, it's doable. You can use anything to take it like this. So guys, it's ready. I'm gonna dish it out now, and thank you for your time. If you watched it this time, that means you enjoyed the video. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you, and God bless you all for your support. Bye for now.